Hey, it's Dave, and I love to fish, especially river fishing. I love to explore and find new places. Whenever I find a great fishing spot, I don't mind sharing. So I put the GPS coordinates in the description box so you can drop a pin and find out where exactly I'm at. Hit that subscribe button, you'll get a notification every time I find a new one. You just hit the like button, you'll have a reference. Go back to your like videos and get the GPS coordinates. I love fishing. I hope you do too. Hey, tight lines, everybody. Have a great day.
Downstream from Lake Dillon, and it's just a beautiful scene. There's actually a nice safe path down to the river, unlike a lot of the stops that you might find along the way. Anyhow, today we're going to do a fly fishing versus spinner fishing video. We'll see how that turns out. And as usual, I'm going to drop a link in the description box. It'll show the location of where I am, give you the GPS coordinates if you ever want to come here. Check it out for yourself. Alright, well, let's go fishing. Alright, well, that's one for the stonefly, and we're going to have to move on to the next one. I got a spinner tied on, so I'm going to try a spinner. We're using the 1/8 ounce Panther Martin, black body, black spoon, yellow dots. Alright, well, we got one for the spinner. Oh, he got off. Oh, we got two for the spinner. Oh, this one's big. Nice. Nice. Time to get the net. Whoa, pretty. Pretty. God, he's a fighter. You don't want to come up. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. Come on. All right. Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice fish right there. Yeah, that was fun. Well, one for the fly pole and one for the spinner pole. Well, I did have one on spinner, but he got off, so that doesn't really count. Alright, well, let's give it a hell. See if we... Alright, another one. Oh, yeah. A little bit smaller, but he counts, right? Whoa, fella. Alright, there's another one. Oh no. We gotta hold that one good. Well, we're over here on the Blue River, and so far we're got 5 fish in. 4 on the spinner and 1 on a fly pole using a stonefly. Yeah. So we're gonna get got one really nice one. Alright, so today we're back up here at the Blue River. Yesterday I threw out a little challenge between spinner fishing and fly fishing. And, well, spinner fishing just kicked fly fishing butt. But in all fairness, I wasn't wearing my waders yesterday, and I was trying to fly fish standing from a rock on the side of the river with vegetation and trees behind me. So today I'm gonna come back and wear my waders, get out there in the water, and see what I can do with the fly pole. I'm gonna be fishing. It's an elk hair caddis. Right there, that's on the dropper. And we got all black stonefly. So a little competition between these 2 flies too. We'll see what happens. Anyway, found this nice little hole I had my eye on yesterday, and somebody was here, so I'm back and I got the spot. Check it out. The river splits in 3 ways and all comes together in this pool.
It's been about an hour and a half. Really thought I'd catch something here. What a great looking pool. But you can see it from the road, so I guess it's not surprising that it's kind of fished out or spooked out. I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna declare the spinner the winner of the Blue River. So we'll find another river and go for round 2. See what happens. Thanks for watching.